Super Kids. Hello kids. Welcome to my farm. Today, we're going to meet my farm friends. Let's say hello to them one by one. Look! Who's here? It's a big friendly cow. Cows love to eat grass and give us milk. Cows say, moo moo. Can you say moo moo like a cow? Wow! Look at this strong and beautiful horse. Horses love to run fast and carry people on their backs. Horses say, neigh neigh. Let's neigh like a horse. Neigh neigh. Oh wow! Here comes a chubby little pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud and have lots of fun. Pigs say, oink oink. Can you say oink oink like a pig? Oh look, a fluffy sheep. Sheep have soft wool that keeps us warm. Sheep say, ba ba.
Ba.
Say ba ba like a sheep.
Ba. Ba. Ba.
Hey! Here's a happy dog wagging its tail. Dogs love to play and protect their owners. Dogs say, woof woof. Can you bark like a dog? Woof woof. Look! Here comes a playful goat. Goats love to climb and munch on leaves and grass. Goats say, meh meh. Can you bleat like a goat? Meh meh. Look at this cute little cat. Cats love to cuddle and chase mice. Cats say, meow meow. Can you meow like a cat? Meow meow. Look! Here comes a hard-working donkey. Donkeys help carry heavy loads and love to eat hay. Donkeys say, hee-haw, hee-haw. Can you bray like a donkey? Hee-haw, hee-haw. Look! It's a chicken. Chickens lay eggs and love to peck at their food. Chickens say, cluck cluck. Can you cluck like a chicken? Cluck cluck. Oh, here comes a waddling duck. Ducks love to swim in the pond and splash around. Ducks say, quack quack. Let's quack together. Quack quack.